Hello my viewers, today I've come to introduce to you the timing mark of a Nissan X-Trail. Others, you can call it a QR25 engine. Nissan X-Trail engine, that is a QR25. Now when you come to our timing mark, this one has two chains. This smaller chain you're seeing here, that is the one for the oil pump. This yellow dot you're seeing here plus this one on the block, that shows that this is the mark. It has to be at the center. Even here, this dowel, the one for the pulley, this one here, it has to be at the top. Now when we come to down here, there is this mark here you're seeing here. Now on this round thing you're seeing here, it has also this one here. It has to be pointing here. Now this one shows that the oil pump is properly timed, but it's on the mark you're seeing here. Now when you come to our main pulley, this one here, the one going up, you see that yellow dot here, it has to be here at the center, that yellow dot. Now when we go up this side, still we check here, this yellow dot here on this one, and even on this side, that yellow dot you're seeing there. Now there shows that you put it on a mark. Camshaft 1, it's marked, and even camshaft number 2 is also marked. There you see, because this one is a 16 valve, meaning it has two camshafts. That one, the smaller one, and this one that has this bigger thing you see in here. This one here, that's the second camshaft, which has that thing where VVTI sensor sits. Now there you say that you've timed your X-Trail or Nissan. That's the timing mark for our Nissan. This is the tensioner. This is the tensioner for the oil pump. And even up the other side, there is also a tensioner like this one on this one. This is our chain, and this is our rail where it moves from. Now the tensioner for our part, this one up, it sits here down. This is where our tensioner sits. There you will see that you've timed your vehicle very well. Nissan X-Trail.